everyone! So, for today's video, we will discuss about the periodic properties of atom. This, or in short, periodic trend. This periodic trend I will discuss is based on my understanding as a student. So, let's start! But before we start, ano nga ba ang periodic trends? Periodic trends are the specific pattern in the properties of elements that are revealed in the periodic trends. We have 5 commonly periodic trends. First is atomic radius, metallic property, electronegativity, ionization energy, and last is electron affinity. Atomic radius is the measure of the size of its atom. Usually to the mean or the typical distance from the center of the nucleus to the boundary of the surrounding shell of the electrons. Determine the radius of an atom by placing 2 atoms of one element side by side, and then get the distance between the 2 of nucleus of the atoms. That is the diameter, so we decide by the 2 to get the atomic radius of a specific atom. The atomic radius in the periodic table is increased as you go down and as you go to the left. So next is metallic property. Metallic property refers to its propensity to behave like the elements that are classified as metal in the periodic table. We can notice that the most reactive metals are placed in the low left of the periodic table, since it increases to going down and going to the left. Many draw it diagonal to make it easy. Atomic radius is the measure of the size of its atom. It is propensity to have like the elements that are classified as metal in the periodic table. Electronegativity is an ability of an atom to attract shared electrons in a covalent bond. Octet rule is the way that gives 8 valence electrons or to be noble gases. Atoms become electronegative when it's going up and going to the right of periodic table. But the noble gases in the right side of the periodic table are exempted. They are stable or already have 8 valence electrons. Let's proceed to the ionization energy. Ionization energy is the quantity of energy that's unisolated or to discharge an atom resulting a cation. Ionization energy increases as elements go up and right in the periodic table. And for the last is electron affinity. Electron affinity is the amount of energy released when an electron is attached to a neutral atom or a molecule. Electron affinity increases from left to right and from down to top. So I will give you an example. Malalaman natin sa zirconium and chlorine kung sino ang mas mataas na atomic radius. Kapag mas malapit, kung sino ang mas malapit sa the most reactive metal na ang francium. Makikita natin na sa periodic table na sa group number 4 ang zirconium. Kaya siya ang may pinakamataas na atomic radius kumpara kay chlorine. Siya ang mas pinakamalapit kay francium. Alam naman natin na ang electronegativity ay tumataas pag papunta sa pakanan o pataas. Imagine nyo na lang na ang bola sa gilid ng periodic table ay ang upper right corner. Kung sino ang may mas pinakamalapit, yun ang mas electronegativity. So, mapapansin natin na ang chlorine ang mas pinakamalapit. So, siya ang mas electronegativity kumpara kay zirconium. We have aluminum, oxygen, and phosphorus. So, how can we rank them based on their ionization energy? ionization energy is increases as you go up and go to the right. So, kung sino ang mas pinakamalapit, siya ang mas mauuna. So, mapapansin natin na ang oxygen ang mas pinakamalapit, kaya siya ang mauuna. Susundan ng phosphorus at susunod ang aluminum. That's all for today. Thank you for listening and goodbye.